And what an energy pyramid does, it shows the amount of energy that flows through a food chain. Okay, it shows the amount of energy. So the first thing we need to do, we need to draw a triangle, which is our 2D pyramid. Okay, we're going to use the example from our food chain, okay, of the grass, the cricket or the grasshopper, the bird, and the snake. This is what we're going to use in our energy pyramid. Now, when the producers convert the sun's energy into something useful, it's a lot of energy. The sun gives out a lot of energy, and so the plants are busy all the time converting this energy into something useful. So at this point of this food chain, there is a lot of available energy. That's why you're supposed to eat your salads. So the biggest part on this triangle, this pyramid, is here at the bottom. So at the bottom, this is where our plant goes. Okay, this is where the producer goes. And this shape is supposed to show you the size or the amount of energy. And so that's why the producers get the bottom part, because it's the biggest. So this is showing us the biggest amount of energy. So there's a lot of available energy at this level. Next we have our grasshopper. Okay, and our grasshopper is going to go on the next level because the grasshopper is going to eat the producer. So we're basically going vertical. This is a horizontal food chain, and this is kind of showing in a vertical sense. Okay, so we have our consumer, and he's the first one in the chain, so he's the primary consumer. Next we have the bird. Secondary consumer. And then last we have the snake. This is our third or tertiary consumer. Now the higher up you go, the space is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. This is a pretty small area up here. As energy flows through the food chain, the energy that's being passed on gets less and less. And that's what this is showing. The energy amount that's available gets less and less. So at this level up here, there is very little amount of energy. There's very little amount of energy up at this level. So this guy spends most of his time looking for food and eating. Looking for food and eating. Okay? Because there's not a lot of energy at this level. There's a lot of energy at this level, so this guy's fine. Okay? But this one has to spend a lot of time thinking about eating, hunting, a lot of time hunting. Okay?